Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Do you want to create designs faster using AI? So in this video, I'll show you how to use Canva with Claude AI step by step. Claude AI helps you generate content while Canva helps you design. So when you combine both, you can create high quality content in minutes. Start by asking Claude to create your content, such as write Instagram post text about productivity or create a YouTube thumbnail title for a tech video. Claude will generate text you can use in your design. Next, go to Canva and choose what you want to create, such as Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, or let's say presentation. Pick a template or start from scratch. You can also search for that specific keyword and select any template. Next, you gotta paste the text from Claude into Canva. Now customize fonts, colors, images, layout, make it visually attractive. You can also go back to Claude and refine your content by asking make this shorter for a thumbnail, add a catchy hook, rewrite this in a more engaging way. So update your design in Canva side by side, and you can use Claude for captions, video scripts, add copy as well, and Canva for visuals. This creates a complete content system. So that's basically how you can use Canva with Claude AI. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.